Hello guys, welcome to DevOps training, and today we are going to discuss about the what are the common mistakes we generally do when using the Git and how we can fix it. So till now we have already seen the basics and some advance on the Git and GitHub, and we have seen uh, all the commands from the command line. I think all the commands we have covered from the command line. So now it's time to see and learn about the common mistakes, what we done with the Git projects, and how we can fix it. So let's move to the project on which we was working. So we was working on GitHub over here. So let's open a Git bash over here and check out the status of my Git project. Just wait. Okay, I need to reopen it. Okay, check out the Git status. Git status. So you can see I have a one modified file which is sample test one. So we'll add it first. Git add. I will add this file first, guys. Okay, now I will do one thing. I will commit the code. Funam adding file and push the code on develop branch. Okay, so git push origin develop. Just wait, guys. Why it is taking so much of time? Yeah, done. So now if I will check the git status, so you can see my directory is clean, everything is up to date. I don't have any changes over here. Okay, now what I need to do, suppose I'm working on a real-time project and I have done some kind of changes in my project and in some of file, in some of my code files. Suppose these are my code files and I have some kind of program over here. I have inserted some random numbers accidentally. Okay, I have inserted some random numbers like this accidentally now, and I saved the file. Okay, so suppose this is just sample and my file is short and I have inserted some random numbers accidentally by somewhere else. Okay, but I don't remember where I have deleted some things as well or not. Okay, when I will go to git status and I got the error like I checked the status and I found some file is being modified. When I go to the git diff, then I got some differences as well. Why my command prompt is so slow? Okay, so here I'm able to get it. Okay, I have done some kind of some random numbers here. I have done some mistakes over here, but it may be possible, guys, in real-time scenarios. In your real-time scenarios, you don't know or you don't remember what you have removed, what you have added. Okay, it may be possible here are some just a short line of code or short line of random numbers what I have inserted in my file, but in real time that may be possible. Like you have a very large file, your code have 5,000, 10,000 line of code, and in that particular file you have done these kind of things at multiple places. So how can you do that? Okay, how can you do that? So let's see how can we do that. So for this, if I want to basically remove these all, it means I have done some changes, but that file on which I have done some changes was the incorrect position earlier. Okay, initially the file which is present on my git local is the correct file, but in my local, in my working area, I have done some kind of mistakes in that particular file. So what I need to do, I need to revert that particular file from the file which is present in my local git repository. So I need to execute the command git checkout. Okay, and the file name what I want to change. So the file name is something sample test2.txt, right? When I will press the enter, and now if I will go to git diff, so see, just wait, guys, I don't know why this command is taking so much of time every time. I thought I need to restart my computer. It's a month since I restarted my computer. So you can see I'm getting nothing. I'm getting nothing means all the changes has been reverted. All the changes which I have done in this file has been reverted. It means actually Git has replaced that particular file with the file which is present on the Git local repository. Okay, so this is the one way. So we need to check out. This is the way how we can revert the version of any file as well. Okay. Now let's see the second thing. And in the second thing, okay. So we have seen how we can revert the changes, or sorry, how we can revert the changes if I have done some kind of changes by a mistake. So how can we revert the complete file? Okay, just by a single simple command, just git checkout. Okay. So let's see what else the common mistake do we do. We generally do in Git project, and how we can remove them. Now let's take another look. The common mistake which we have generally do in our projects. So suppose here is a file, okay, and this is my code file, and I'm doing some changes in my business logic. So suppose here sometimes there is a program of calculator, okay, and somewhere here I have modified the file or modified the function of subtraction, okay, and here I'm ending my project or ending my program. That's it. That's just a common example, although I'm not doing any kind of coding here, because this tutorial is not just for the developers only, and some other IT guys, like the people who are from IT operations and the QA, manual QA, can also refer this code. So I'm not taking any coding example, so that it will lead you the mis confusion, it will lead you the confusion. So suppose there's a program, this is my Java file or some C# file. Okay, here is a program of the calculator, and I've modified the logic of the subtraction. Okay, I just save the file. Okay, I will go to my git bash and verify the git status. Okay, I have modified some sample text 3. Okay, so what I will need to do, I need to add this, and okay, I need to add this and commit it. Okay, so git commit -m, and but by mistake I added a wrong commit message, like I added modified multiplication function. Okay, although in my file I have modified the subtraction function, but suppose by mistake I have done some mistakes, and I have entered the incorrect commit message. Okay, so using the git log I can verify the commit. So just wait guys, git log will take a lot of time, because as I know my system is a bit slow right now, and I have done a lot of commits in git, so it will take some time to fetch the data. So if I will go with the latest commit, so you can see here I'm getting the message modified multiplication function. Although, okay, after the commit, I realized my mistake. Okay, I modified the subtraction function, but in the commit message, I have did something like modified the multiplication function. Now, how can I remove that, or how can I basically uh, modify that particular commit message? So for that, I had a command git commit no git yeah git commit amend -m and your message, like modified subtraction function. Okay, I have done what I have done, git commit amend -m and the new message, the correct message, and it's again modified, not modified. I press the enter. Okay, modified subtraction function. Now go to the git log, and let's see what I will get after this git log. So just go to the latest commit, and you can see my commit message is being modified. I'm getting modified subtraction function, and this is not a new commit. You can see I just modified the last commit message. That's it. Okay guys, so this is the another common mistake which generally people do when they are handling the git, or when they are working with the git. And there could be any kind of message there, sorry, any kind of error. This could be typo error or some other kind of error, and many times we require this, how can we modify the commit message. So this is a simple command for you guys. Okay, just need to this git commit hyphen hyphen amend hyphen m and the message which you want to insert. So that's it.